Today I'm showing you a easy way of making Badam Halwa. For this, I have soaked almonds in water and peeled the skin. This I want to make it into a coarse powder. I have coarsely done the badam. In the pan, I'm going to add Khoya, sugar, ghee, cardamom powder, saffron I've soaked in a spoon of milk. Now this is mixed well. Now I can put it on the hob. Now the sugar is melted. I'll switch off the flame and keep stirring for some more time. Allow this to cool for some time and serve this warm. Now this is warm and ready to serve. For more recipes, like and subscribe SPL Foods.